hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So today you guys are going to see this after Mother's Day, and it needs to be after Mother's Day because I don't want my mama to see, because she may, because she watches my videos. So I'm getting ready to make a basket. She specifically asked, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, to not buy her anything and to make her just a basket, or to get some stuff from my stockpile. So I'm trying to make her a basket. So I picked up some stuff already. Actually, I got a mug downstairs that I need to bring up here. And I went to Dollar Tree and I just ransacked, well, not ransacked, sort of, well, one part. I know I have some of those shrink wrap gift bag things. I went in Dollar Tree. Sometimes when I think I have something, I'll pick it up anyway because it's $1. And I should have, and I got sidetracked and I left out of there. And I can visualize it, but I cannot put my hands on it in my craft room. So I didn't depend on using it, but I wanted to use it, y'all, to make it look pretty, because it may not work out, and then two, it may be so much stuff that it won't fit in this tub. So I picked up 2 of these. You can always use these for something else. You can use these for cleaning. You can use these for organization. So if I don't use these for their baskets, I'm making my mother-in-law one too. I'm going to put it in one of these baskets. So I picked up 2 of these, and I got a colorful color, and then I got some tissue paper, and I got the colorful tissue paper instead of like the mom's, you know how every year they have the mom's springtime color paper. And that's another thing, like I already had some like this, I already knew, but I didn't want to take from that stash. Just in case I need it for birthdays or something and I don't have it, I'll take it from there. So I also had this for a really long time, so I think I'm gonna give this to my mother-in-law. She already has a card, but she can take this because it's been just sitting there and I haven't. It's like a, I think, a bouquet card. You guys remember this? This is back in the day with Dollar Tree. Then I'm gonna give my mother-in-law this picture right here. I went into Walgreens doing some couponing and I saw this sign. And I was like, oh, I'm giving it to my mom. So it says, my mom is my bestie. And they were buy one, get one half. So there was like $4.99. So one was like $2.50. And I said, I get that one for my mother-in-law. So then I got them 2 bows to go on their basket. But I don't know how it's going to work out if I ain't got shrink wrap. I'm going to figure it out. And then I just picked up one of these little flowers. I've been wanting to get one for myself to put somewhere, but from Dollar Tree. But they had like some little glass vase flowers that were colorful. And I was like, that might be cute to put in the basket. But I don't know. I'm just going to have to see how it turns out. And that's it. I have their cards downstairs. I need to get something to fill the bottom from a package that came. And something else I need to get downstairs, some water. I'm tired, y'all. So I would film this as I do it, but I'm tired. It's like 9. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:22 p.m.
Oh, it's 10:22. I thought it was 9. What in the world was I looking at? But anyway, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And if you haven't seen my stockpile, I'm gonna put a video up. That video will probably go up before this Mother's Day video. But anyway, I had to figure out what I'm gonna put in their baskets. I know I'm gonna give them some Dove, maybe some Jergens, some lotion, sure, some deodorant. My mom, these I'm gonna give them some vitamins, of course laundry detergent stuff. I have to see, so I'll show you guys what I'm gonna put all in there. But if you want to see a tour of this, I'll make sure I put that video above, because I'm gonna make that video first. Yeah, okay. Okay, y'all, so I went downstairs and I got the mug set here, and I need to, oh Lord, I'm gonna have to open it up and push it out. The little mug set from Aldi, and it comes with 2 boxes of English tea, and then got my water. And so I got this in a package. I was able to catch some paper, toilet paper, at Walgreens. Somebody posted it or something late one night, so I was able to get some of that, snag some of that, and this is what came in the package. So I'm glad I hung on to it because I have 2 of them, and I can use, or one's longer than the other. I can cut it. I can use it to fill the bottom of the basket. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tissue paper and I'm going to cover that. And then here's the other basket. Okay guys, so this is what the baskets look like afterwards. This one I'm struggling because the paper or the bubble wrap is not, stuffing is not as tall. And I have to just keep playing with it. And it keeps sinking, so it's frustrating the crap out of me. I might take everything out and start over. And then also the bow is not sticking, so I'm gonna have to tape it. I probably need to tape the other one, but since I'm talking about this one, so this basket, I have some candles in it, some Glade candles, some oil of Olay. This is bothering me. I'm gonna have to take it out. I put a poof in here. Oh, this is my mother-in-law's basket. I have some Game Fireworks, some Suave spray, lotion. I have some Suave deodorant, some vitamins, some, did I say the overlay? The palm olive. Oh gosh, this is bothering me. The Crest toothpaste. I have this little Dollar Tree flower. I should have got the ones with the glass covering. Then I have the picture in here, and it just don't want to sit right. That one didn't want to sit right either. I had some Tide Pods in here, some Game Fire fabric sheets, and then I have some Nivea Silk body wash. I have some Dove body wash, and then I have some Dial body wash. It keeps falling. And then I have some fabric softener and some Game back there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this out and redo it because it keeps falling. Okay, then over here, I would have got my mother-in-law one of these, but I don't think she drinks coffee. I got some palm olive. I got some, oh, I need to give her some lotion. So I was going back and forth trying to look and see what I was missing. Some Dove body wash, some Game Fireworks, some vitamins. This is a candle. This is a different scent down in here. The blue one. Did I show everything? I should have probably showed everything first. Some Gain pods, some Dial body wash, the Nivea Silk Mousse body wash. Always Discreet. Mama used these. I didn't want to put that in Mama D's basket, and she doesn't use them. So I don't know what to do, y'all. But they're like, yeah, I didn't want to put them in there. Then I have some Tide. I have the little flower, some Suave, some air freshener. I gotta put some in there. Some air freshener. I think I'm gonna give her the purple one that's in the back. It's like a purple one back there. I don't know the scent. And then some toothpaste. The same Extravagant Snuggle. It's a Game back there. And I think that's it. Everything just kept falling. Oh no. So I need to give her one of these too. That must be what's helping my sign stay up. One of these Scrub and Bubble toilet bowl cleaners. So I'm going to get her one of those. And that's it. I'm trying to see if there's anything that fell down in here. I do wish I had the shrink wrap. I don't know what I did with it. But it's going to be okay. You're going to have to definitely hold this with 2 hands because it's a Dollar Tree basket. And you see Mama's puff is like higher than her puff. So I'm going to have to rearrange this and do it over. Yeah. So those are the baskets. So if you have a coupon stockpile or want to start a coupon stockpile, you can easily create baskets for people for different things, it'd be a good idea, oh yeah, to just like have Pampers, so when it's somebody's baby shower, you can have your own little bucket. So I think I'm going to I also remembered I picked these up just to have somewhere in my stockpile, just like I have the bags over there on the end, just to have, so if I can make a basket for somebody. So I think what I'm gonna do also is make sure I have some shrink wrap on hand and some bows. So that's a quick, easy. And then if I ever catch the penny sales at Dollar General or a really good clearance, I can pick up some stuff and have like a little gift closet too. And then I don't have to buy anything because I already have it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas or tips that you can do maybe next Mother's Day or Father's Day coming up. You can definitely create a little gift bag or basket for them. Yeah, and someone, I was watching her channel, Tea Time, she gave me the idea. She said they don't give each other bags, they give each other baskets. So what they do is, she grabbed like all of the clearance out Easter baskets, and she used those. Her whole family uses those to make baskets. So I thought that was a great idea. I went to look, and I went in there so many times, and they probably had Easter baskets. Of course, they don't have none now. But anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all, so I don't know if I'm gonna leave the tissue paper in the back or not. I really wish I had some shrink wrap, but I don't even know if the shrink wrap would have been large enough for these baskets. Maybe the smaller baskets. But the tissue paper is not consistent in color. You would think it would be. Yeah, it's not consistent in color. So I did add some lotion. I did add some Febreze. I can't think of what else I added, y'all, and I rearranged it so it looks a little bit better. Oh, I gotta get some tape to put the bow back on. And then over here, I think I don't know. Oh, I added some small spaces. I try to go based on personality too. I meant to get my mother-in-law a lighter to go in her basket, because they had like they had coupons, and I could have combined that with 5 off 25 at Dollar General today, but I forgot to look. I didn't put that in my scenario. I forgot. And then I got some snuggle dryer sheets. I added it in Mama. So I wish I knew about these, because I get these for like $1.